Hey guys, I'm Sarah Yang, a Pfeiffer University student, and I'll be telling you about this awesome book, The Boy That Was Raised by Librarians by Carla Morris. It's an extremely cute children's literature book that shows that public libraries is a place where kids can go and find just about anything, including 3 librarians who helped in Melvin's quest for knowledge. Melvin was so intelligent, and he got to learn every question that came to mind. Even crazy things like, how much does the whole world weigh with all the dogs and cats and houses and cars and tractors? He was a very curious kid, like any other elementary school child. But Melvin was special because he would religiously go to the library after school every day ever since Melvin was just barely tall enough to see his 3 librarian friends over the counter. And he was able to learn more and more about everything he was interested in. Melvin became very close friends with the librarians and was able to get all of his questions answered. By their assistance in recommending books from inside the library and online articles, and also fun hands-on things like craft books. I loved reading about Melvin's experience at his school library because when I was younger, I was dropped off at school an hour before the bell rang so my mother could make it to work on time. I was fortunate to go to my school library and make friends with my librarian and get to know Miss Tammy, the sweetest lady I've ever met. And I was even lucky enough to call her my high school counselor a couple years later. I recommend this book to any young reader, young adult, and elementary school teacher, or even just all ages, because it shows the joy and fun that can come from reading and the results of growing up enjoying books for the rest of your life.